My car won't start, dashboard lights up, only whirring sound. Hey everyone, if you hit your start button, the dash lights up, but all you hear is a whirring sound and the engine won't crank, this video is for you. When your dash lights up but you only get a whirring sound, your car's electrical system is working, but your engine isn't turning over. That usually points to three key suspects: the starter motor, the battery, or the starter solenoid. Step 1. Check the battery. Even if lights come on, your battery may not have enough power to crank the engine. Try jump starting the car or test your battery voltage, it should read at least 12.6 volts. Step 2. Listen closely. A high-pitched whirring without clicks often means the starter motor is spinning but not engaging the flywheel. That points to a bad starter gear or solenoid. Step 3. Tap the starter. Sometimes a stuck starter motor can be freed by gently tapping it with a wrench or hammer. If the car starts afterward, your starter is likely failing. If the jump start worked, consider getting your battery tested or replaced. If not, the starter motor or solenoid likely needs attention. You can test the starter with a multimeter, or just remove and bench test it. Not comfortable doing that? Mention this video to your mechanic to avoid guesswork and unnecessary charges. If this helped, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and comment below what car model you're working on. I might feature it in the next video.